light me up inside like the 4th of July. Whenever you're around, I always seem to smile. And people ask me how. Well, you're the reason why I'm dancing in the mirror.
Why so defined? Because I defined you, that's why. I made you who you are. Hi guys, so I will be showing you the much awaited video of how I get my curls popping. So right now I'll be showing you guys the products I use to get my hair to be defined, things I'm trying out for the first time, and yeah, I'm just gonna have fun with it. And as a bonus, I'll show you guys how I do my puff, like how to style my hair. I don't know how to explain it, but it's kind of like a mohawk, but not a mohawk. Whatever, you see it when you see it. Yeah, so let's begin. So moving on to the products I use this to add some grease to my hair. It's a hair butter. It's the Cream of Nature Argan oil for natural hair. It's a butter, so I use butters rather than oils because it's thicker. I have like 4B 4C hair, so I need like a thicker hair oil. My favorite hair gel in all the world, I don't know why people hate on Ecostyler. Like, well, this one I use, like as you can see, I've used the whole thing, so I definitely love this. And today I'll be using just a little of this curl milk because I just did the protein treatment, and this is protein. I don't want to have protein overload and make my hair dry and everything. No, I just bought this from the dollar store like yesterday or something. It's the Xtreme Wetline gel. I bought this for like thicker hair types, like coarser hair, because my hair is kind of soft-ish. Like, it obeys me sometimes, but I encountered someone who has like thicker hair, and I tried to define her curls, and this gel wasn't enough. I had to use my edge control. So this is my edge control. I got this in the Apple because I've tried every other scent. So I took just like a little bit of this, like less than that. I took like, wait, hold on, like this. You can barely even see it. I just did it because it's thick, and I just like ran it through a section of her hair and a small strand of her hair, and it did the job, you know. And if you don't have this wherever you are, just find any gel or edge control that is thick. Literally any gel. And a lot of you be like, oh, I don't think I can get my hair to be defined. Everybody can get their curls to be defined. Everybody. You just need patience, thick gel, a lot of gel or a little gel, and it will get you there, honestly. So now you're seeing me struggle with this curly milk. I ended up having to take the lid off so that I could get the milk out of the bottle. After I did that, I raked it through my hair, making sure to start from the roots and then focus on the ends, because those are the most important parts when dealing with natural hair. And then I added some water from my spray bottle because my hair was dry. So my spray bottle has tea tree oil as well as water, so it's not just water. Then I massaged everything in and went in with the Ecostyler flaxseed gel. Put some at the back of my hands for easier access, and I just basically massaged the gel through my hair, starting from the roots to the ends, because like I said, those are the most important parts. And the gel, basically raking the gel in, basically helps your hair clump together, which is exactly what you want, so that it's easier to finally define the curls from those clumps. So as you can see, I'm raking the gel starting from the roots and focusing on the ends, as you can see. But it's going to take some time, okay? This takes time. Don't give up. Just keep at it, right? You see that? You see this? You see this? Yeah, that's what we're trying to get. So I get to add a little bit more gel here. Still not trying to define. And that's okay, because I have this wetline gel. That's what I got it for. So now we're gonna test this. This is me officially testing and reviewing the wetline gel. Wow, did you see how it just behaved itself? Like, okay, I'm impressed. Okay, so I'm getting excited. Alright, I think I just did something. Okay, so this, I just separated it from the rest. This wanted to clump up together, so this is what I just did. Alright, I'm going to reduce this because it's still a little too much. So now I'm just rolling it around my fingers just so that the curls can be defined. Like, it's not that defined, but I intend on making it that defined. Usually I'll just leave it like that and focus on my front hair, because where I style my hair, the back just doesn't matter to me. So yeah, I just went in with my edge control now. Look at that. Look at that. I told you, all you need is something thicker, defined. Look at those baby curls. Look. So just eyeball it and use as much gel as your hair asks for. Okay? Start with a little bit, then build up gel. It's better to do it that way, or else your hair is just going to be very, like, this gel doesn't really leave that much. It doesn't leave flakes. Like, I've never really noticed it flaking like on the first day. Maybe after I've left it in for like a week or so, it starts flaking. But yeah, it doesn't flake that much. But it takes a long time to dry, and I air dry my hair. So yeah. Oh look, all the curls are defined now. Well, not all of them, most of them. So yeah, you want to use a little bit, or else it's just going to take forever to dry, and your hair is going to be white until it dries, and that's not fine.
6.5 hours later.
So I just rake through. Well, not really raking, but like smoothing through, just like that. This is how my hands are, like this. Just rake through. As you see, it's like already defined. It wants to now start separating. So usually some people just leave it like this and then shake. They call that the rake and shake method. But I'm not doing that. I want it precise, so I'm going to shingle. So this is the shingling I'm doing. So there you go. 1, separate. 2, like it already is defined. So I'm literally just taking it out, separating it the way it wants to be separated. So you know, it's not just one huge clump of hair. So the ones that want to be clumped together are clumped together, you know. And it's taking a long while to shrink back, and since that was not shrinking, I decided to get its friends to come join it at that point. So yeah. This is the finished product. This is I whip my hair back, but I whip my hair back and forth.
Stop it. Get some help.
And my curls are very defined. I need you all to come see this. Come. You see that? Yeah.
Oh my god! Wow!
So first off, you're going to need a random shoelace, or not so random shoelace, just a shoelace. And then you are going to section out. Oh, doing this while my hair is wet is just so risky. Oh god, you have to be careful so you don't separate your curls like I just did. So you're going to section out your bangs, and then you get your shoelace and you just put it right there. Take it around your ears, tight in the back, tight, and then you just push it up, up, up. Ooh, it's a facelift. Up, up to about here. And then you take it back into like this. Be very careful. You take the other one right there, and I don't tie mine. Now what I do, I just tuck it in like this. So it's just tucked in, it's not tied. And then I just drag my hair back. Oh yeah, my undercuts, I don't know, it's probably looking like real ratchet right now, but that's not the point. So yeah, that's done. Shake, shake, shake. And then you untie that. And there you go. It's like that. I don't have a pick, so I'm just going to use this. I don't know why I don't have a pick. You're gonna think I'm not black. I'm gonna use this. You see how it's popping up already? Yeah. So what I'm doing, I'm just basically pushing all the product up. Careful not to, you know, destroy your hard-earned curls, because that's just going to be saddening. Hey. That's how I get it to look like this. It took me only like 5 hours, but I got it, you know? Anyway, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, comment. I'm more concerned about the commenting. I want to hear what you guys have to say. I want you guys to give me suggestions, things you want to see me do. Let me be your guinea pig, you know? Any products you want to try out, just cash up me the money and I'll try it. I'm just joking, but yeah, just let me know and I'll do it, because what else do I have to do apart from study and make a name for myself? What else?